Welcome to How to Solve.
How to use Google Translate. First, let's go to our Google app. Just open it and just type down Google Translate. And just tap on the Google Translate option and then tap on Detect Language to choose which language would you like to use and to translate it. So let's now go to Detect Language and let's use the Chinese language. And let us choose the Chinese simplified language. So you just type down the text that you are going to translate. You just need to tap the double arrow on the center to switch languages. So here you type down the question or the word or phrase that you want to translate, just like this, and it will automatically translate to Chinese simplified. And that's how easy to choose Google Translate.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.